Trupti, and today we have with us the Social Innovation team of BVB College of Engineering and Technology. Sir, I want to know what is the main objective of arranging this exhibition?
Actually, what is happening in today's competitive environment is every student is running like a mad. We are into a rat race, and thereby we are getting or delinked from the society. And when we don't get connected to society, we would never experience what is happening on the other side. So there is, with greater care, this course has been introduced into a curriculum wherein student can definitely get connected to the social context, understand what is happening, and at the end of the process, he or she should be able to say, yes, I am part of this society, and if I don't take care of the society, tomorrow we will be in trouble. So that is a message we want to convey through this particular course, and that's how it has been taken.
Sir, do you feel that by taking up this initiation, you will be able to fulfill your objective?
Definitely. See, normally what would happen is when I see something in society, sometimes I see it and forget. I never try to be part of it and take it to the right source and try to correct it. But here what is happening is we are giving ample scope to the students to work in an open atmosphere wherein we just define the scope and leave it to them to identify, work on it, identify the process and get connected to it. And thereby the complete cycle they will be undergoing, and if something wrong they see, they feel that I am part of it and try to complete it, close it. Otherwise it would be an open loop system wherein they see it and forget. That's the thing.
So what are your future plans with respect to this social innovation team?
See, now it has been introduced at the first year B level. So there is every chance wherein we can take it forward. Because every semester, every year we have got certain mini projects, certain major projects wherein we can take a thread from this particular basic initiation and take it for a greater forward level. We can just do it.
Thank you, sir. I have a common question for all of you. How does it feel to be a part of social innovation team?
It feels really great to be a part of this because I'm basically from electrical department and doing work for society and creating awareness that these are the problems, telling the students that these are the things, because maximum students, they're all technological bound, so they think that only technological products will work out. But how do you think for a society that implementation can be done here?
What is that I can contribute back to the society? That is what we can understand.
Actually, the students are being aware, and that is what is required now. They are growing in different atmospheres or something like that. So this social awareness is what the students need. So when it's given like this through the college, sort of they have it as a compulsory thing, but they are doing well in that. Now they are going to spread this message, and so I think they are going to give their best to the society. After being groomed in a proper way, then they'll do it in a better way. That's what I think.
Okay, ma'am. Sir?
Can you repeat the question once again?
Sir, I said, how do you feel to be a part of social innovation team, telling the students how they are part of the society?
Yeah, the major difference between the engineering subjects we teach in our branch and this subject is that we are very friendly with the students. That is the main thing. We won't make the students to feel that they are sitting in the class. Okay, this is an open session wherein they can interact and they can come out with whatever they have in their mind. It's an open room for their innovation, and it's an open platform to exhibit or to experiment with their new ideas. That's SI.
Thank you, sir. And how different is it from our regular curriculum?
Regular curriculum exhibition will be all technical based. This is a societal based project exhibition, and it's come up really well. We've all worked in team, in coordination, and this is one platform wherein we are showcasing the best projects. There are almost 100 projects that are being made. This is the 35 best projects that we are showcasing over here.
Thank you, sir.